Hey everybody, Rich here. Fly July for July 29th. Coming up to the end of the month. And it's been a good month. Today, what I'm going to do is go out to DeKalb and shoot an approach. I don't really have too much time, so I'm just looking for an excuse to fly and a quickie. And then tomorrow, I'm hoping to fly with my buddy Rocky. He and I used to be in a flying club together. And tomorrow he's going to be my safety pilot while I go shoot 6 approaches and holds and intercepts to get my instrument currency back. I had an IPC in November, so that's expired now, and I need to have that in my back pocket in case I need to do any instrument flying. So today is a warm-up for tomorrow. Tomorrow is that, and then the day after that, a high school friend of mine is going to go flying with me to finish out the Fly July challenge for the month. So come along.
Got a little photo shoot happening here for a watch company. That's kind of fun. Got a 195 and a Christian Eagle. Okay, let's go to DeKalb. Get the Stratus plugged in and feeding data. And what's our initial approach fix? So we'll fly this. So we'll put in a flight plan. Okay, so we'll select runway 2 GPS, and we'll start it at Kelsey. Actually, no, let's not do that. Let's do that again, because Kelsey is pretty far south. So it's saying I can do it at Jitube or Sweat. Looks like Sweat. Yeah, let's do Sweat. That looks like the closest one. Okay. All right, let's get out of here. Schaumburg traffic, Mall 2 Tango Foxtrot departing runway 29, Schaumburg. Oh, that sun is bright. Okay, our initial approach is at 2,700 feet. We can't climb up to that right now because we're underneath the Bravo for O'Hare. So as soon as we get out from under that, then we can climb up to 2,700. Started out to be a really ugly day, a lot of rain. Cleared up very nicely though, as you can see. Man, I love this stuff. Okay, activated our approach, so we're going to go to Sweat, and we're out of the first tier of the Bravo, so we can climb a little bit more. I think we have to get out of the next one before we can go to our full altitude, though. Oh, no, we can't. We can go to 2,700 now. This tier of the cake is already 3,000. Oh, man, I got a big spider web in here. Permission to go through DuPage.
I got him inside now, thanks.
Fair 56 up, follow that traffic, runway 2 left, clear line number 2.
Clear line, due left, number 2, 567.
And DuPage Tower, Mall 222, Tango Foxtrot, 4 miles to the northeast, transition at 2,700.
Mall 222, Tango Foxtrot, DuPage Tower, overflight approved, DuPage altimeter 2987.
2987, 222, Tango Foxtrot.
55 Delta, runway 2 right, clear touch and go on the go, continue right traffic.
Clear touch and go 2 right on the go, right traffic, 355 Delta.
Okay, there's 2,700, level off. Got a nice view of DuPage tonight. I've done a lot of flying out of that airport. That's where I did my private training, and I was a member of a flying club there for a number of years before I got the mall. Great place. I was talking to a buddy over there, 3 weeks ago, and he said things are just chugging along.
Fair turn 56 Delta, turn left Tango, taxi and park, correction, turn left Yankee, taxi and parking, remain this frequency.
Yankee, and we'll stay with you, 56 Delta, thanks.
Okay, Aurora will be our next facility.
Archer 470 Alpha is on ILS runway 2 left, 1.5 miles from spin.
And Tower Mall 2 Tango Foxtrot is clear your space. Good day.
Mall 2 Tango Foxtrot, thanks for stopping by.
Aurora Tower Mall November 222 Tango Foxtrot 6 miles to the northeast, transitioning to the southeast 2,700.
222 Tango Foxtrot, Aurora Tower, transition through the Deltas approved, Aurora altimeter 2987.
2987, 2 Tango Foxtrot. So the sweat intersection is just at the edge of Aurora's airspace. So then at that point it's going to be a 260 heading.
Remos 1 Romeo Alpha, runway 27 clear for the option, wind 300 at 7.
Clear for the option 27, Alpha.
The winds were pretty calm over Schaumburg. I'm surprised they've got 7 knots in Aurora. Need to tighten the screw on this. Works its way loose over time. And that is the only air conditioning this plane has. Okay, sweat's 27 to G-tube. I got a little ways to go yet.
DeKalb Taylor Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 2340 Zulu weather wind 300 at Niner visibility 10 clear below 12,000 temperature 26 Celsius dew point 18 altimeter 2989 remark density altitude 2,500.
Okay. Everything looks good weather-wise. No reports.
Remos 1 Romeo Alpha, runway 27 clear for the option, wind 300 at 6.
Clear for the option 2726 Romeo Alpha.
Make our turn. We're at the sweat intersection. And Aurora Mall 222 Tango Foxtrot leaving your airspace.
Mall 2 Tango Foxtrot, frequency change approved. Have a great night.
You too, good day. Need to come around a little bit more here. Not really much of an autopilot. You kind of have to help it along some. And to keep helping it, let's have a little bit of a crosswind up here. Okay, and then the next one's going to be 292. Okay, now we're looking for G-tube. And same altitude here. Yep, 2700. Okay, now we've got a big turn. Basically a 90-degree turn. Yeah, 021. Same altitude. So I'm already on the DeKalb Unicom. Haven't heard anybody talking. It's always been a surprise to me how little traffic there is out there. It's kind of a major airport in terms of the facilities that are there, but it's very underused. When I was doing my instrument training, we did a lot of approaches into DeKalb just for that reason. I guess things haven't changed. Alright, so this is 021. Same altitude, leaving the sun behind though, thankfully. Alright, next waypoint is Jinyo, and that gives us a permission to start our descent. So DeKalb traffic, Mall 2 Tango Foxtrot 10 miles to the south, practice approach runway 02 DeKalb. Vertical guidance is coming in. Start our descent at the next waypoint. Get ourselves in a landing configuration. So gas is good, undercarriage is welded. Mix is in, prop is in. Start our descent. 1800. We can go down to 1200 feet. Winds shifted, blowing me a little bit. Make an adjustment for that. Get that glide slope back on. I made the opposite correction I needed to there. I saw it moving and I applied some elevator to pull it back up instead of going down, which is what I needed to do. All right, got it back on track. 1400. $1,300. DeKalb traffic, orange mall, short final, runway 02, DeKalb. And 1200, and we're still in the clouds, so we're going to go around. Going around just straight ahead here. Okay, so that's it for our Fly July for today. Click like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you tomorrow.